just kind of pluck them a little bit? Can I just pluck your face? Maybe it'll come off. Okay, just hold still. Friend, what foundation have you been using lately? Huh. That is a thick foundation, but it doesn't peel like paint. Or that's not really not paint. Hmm. No, that's not paint. Friend, um, has anyone ever told you, or did you know that there there is metal under your skin? Did, did anyone ever tell you that there's metal under your skin? I don't want to say anything out loud. I don't want you, like, you never know who's watching or whatever. But, like, friend, are you a robot? No way. See, that explains so much, actually. Like, you answer math questions, like, super fast. I should have known. Friend, I thought we were friends. We're besties. And you didn't tell me. It kind of, I will also say this. It does look like you have, like rust. Like rust. Um, or is that rust? Or is it blood? Is it blood? Because it could be both. It's both. Okay, okay, no, period. No, all good. Um, just kind of taking off like the bad bits. So this is like human skin, right? Like you got this from somebody. Yeah, okay. Oh no, I totally get it. I mean, you want to look as human as possible, right? Like you don't want anyone to know you're a robot, right? So, no, I get it. No, I get it. It's just some of it looks like it's going bad. So maybe I'm just kind of taking the edges off a little bit for you. everything's totally valid. Like everything's totally valid. Like your feelings are valid. And I think personally, your approach is the only one, is the right one. Okay? Okay, period. Okay? You're my bestie and I'm gonna help you. Actually, I was actually gonna go out tonight. Do you wanna come? Do you wanna come? We can help you find somebody, like a new one. Yeah, yeah, we can find you. Yeah, we can find you a new one. Yeah. Do you have like preference or just like someone pretty or? Well, yeah, I guess so, right? Yeah. No uggo face. Okay. No, understandable. I love having a robot as a bestie. I'm so excited. So, why don't you get dressed? You can wear something of mine if you want to. Totally fine. And we'll get you together a little bit more before we head out. Make sure everything is good. Okay. And the place we're going to is kind of dark. So, even if it's not like